Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this HubSpot CRM overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. HubSpot CRM, a comprehensive review based on my experience. The HubSpot CRM platform offers a powerful, all-in-one customer relationship management solution tailored for businesses of all sizes. It's especially attractive to small and medium-sized businesses seeking a robust, yet free, system to seamlessly manage sales, marketing, and customer support activities. One of HubSpot CRM's most compelling features is its intuitive interface. The dashboard presents a clear overview of your sales pipeline, including active deals and essential performance metrics. This makes it effortless to monitor progress and quickly identify any potential bottlenecks. Adding and organizing contacts into deals or targeted lists is straightforward, with automatic data synchronization occurring across the platform. Furthermore, HubSpot seamlessly integrates with popular email clients like Gmail and Outlook, enabling your team to efficiently log emails, schedule follow-ups, and manage all communications without needing to switch between different applications. HubSpot CRM's marketing tools are another significant advantage. You can create and automate email campaigns, monitor visitor behavior on your website, and design effective landing pages and forms, all without requiring advanced technical expertise. These tools are particularly beneficial for nurturing leads and guiding them efficiently through your sales funnel. The platform's robust reporting and analytics features offer valuable insights into your campaigns, empowering you to make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. For sales teams, HubSpot CRM provides indispensable tools such as task scheduling, meeting booking links, and comprehensive deal tracking, significantly simplifying daily operations. Moreover, the platform includes free features like live chat and a shared inbox, ensuring your team can respond to customer inquiries promptly and efficiently. The availability of these free tools makes HubSpot CRM one of the most comprehensive and valuable free CRM options on the market. While the free version is remarkably capable, HubSpot also offers tiered paid plans with advanced functionalities, including custom reporting, predictive lead scoring, and expanded automation capabilities. These upgrades are well suited for businesses experiencing growth, but the cost might be prohibitive for smaller teams with limited budgets. In summary, HubSpot CRM is an excellent option for businesses looking for a user-friendly, feature-rich CRM that can adapt and scale to their evolving needs. Its integration of marketing, sales, and customer service tools within a single platform makes it a powerful asset for enhancing efficiency and driving business growth. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore HubSpot CRM further and determine if it aligns with your specific business objectives. Hopefully, this review provides clarity on whether HubSpot CRM is the right solution for your team.